Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the SMTP host, port, and encryption method so the server matches your client. Next, enter the exact username as the full email address and use the account password or an app password if two-factor is enabled. Once done, make sure SMTP access is permitted in the account settings. Some providers block it by default. These checks eliminate the most common authentication mismatches before deeper troubleshooting. Now focus on the client and protocol details. Use Telnet or OpenSL client to test a raw SMTP login to isolate client bugs. This shows whether the server accepts your credentials. Adjust the auth mechanism to plain or login as the provider requires, and ensure the TLS mode matches the port. Startles on 587 or implicit SSL/TLS on 465. Also confirm there are no trailing spaces in the username or password, because small typos cause authentication failures. Finish by rotating credentials. Reset the account password or create a provider-specific app password, then retry the connection immediately. If authentication still fails, capture the SMTP response codes. 535 indicates bad credentials, 534 often means additional verification required, and follow the provider's recovery flow. Finally, check for network blocks. Verify IP allow lists. Outbound SMTP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.